here is your assignment for today. So welcome to quarter 3 for junior year English. This quarter, first half of the quarter, we're going to spend writing research papers. Couple of pieces of information about these research papers for you before we really jump in. First is that you will choose an issue and write about one side of that issue. And you do get to choose your topics. However, I don't allow repeat topics in the same class. So if you really want something, we're going to draw names at random in class next week, and whoever gets drawn first, they get to choose. If your topic is taken, you need a backup, which is why today you're going to choose multiple. This is going to be 100% done in class. As long as you stay on top of things and you're doing what you need to do in class, you're not slacking off, you won't have to do any of this at home. Some of you are still going to slack off. Don't be that person. This essay, because this is what you guys care about, how long is it? 3 pages minimum. Sometimes people go over that. MLA formatting, meaning double space, 12-point font, Times New Roman, 1-inch margins. Those are the requirements. And we'll talk more about MLA formatting as we go. I really walk you guys through this. I'm not going to just throw you in and say, write an essay. We'll take the time to kind of get to know this essay. So then here's what you have to do today. If you go look on Canvas, this is what you guys should see. Day 1 is January 19th, which is today. You have your journal. You need to get that done. And then you've got this brainstorming topics assignment. What you can do here is you're going to look over the list of possible topics, which I've linked, and choose 3. Those 3 topics do not all have to come from the list. I want you to choose at least 1 from the list, but the other 2 can be stuff that you make up out of your own head. You do not have to. Certain are overdone, though, and they are therefore banned. So, coronavirus, marijuana legalization, abortion, and global warming. I've read too many essays about them. I don't feel like they serve you guys very well, and so those are banned topics. You need to choose something else. Now, if you go look at the issue questions thing, which I've linked, this is it right here. There it is. You can go look at the issue questions. These are all topics that have been done in the past. This thing's 5 pages long. There's a lot of stuff in here. Go through and read these questions. What appeals to you? What do you think you could argue about? What do you think you can write for 3 pages about without getting overly bored? Does the question maybe make you think, oh, I don't want to write about this question, but I will write about something really similar. I'll suggest that in my assignment today. Once you've chosen 3, and you can choose more than 3 if you want, but it's good to have a backup. You'll have your number 1 choice, obviously, but having a couple backups is a good idea for when we pick them. You're going to go in and you're just going to leave the 3 topics. If you invent your own topic, it needs to be phrased as a question, and you need to try and be specific. I will give you feedback if it's not specific enough, but that's what you guys are doing today. You need to propose the 3 topics. We will research these topics as time goes on, and I've had students change topics halfway through the essay process. That's fine, but you need to start thinking about what is it you want to write about, what is it you're not going to get bored over. This assignment is your attendance for today. If it's not done by the end of the day, you are marked absent. So make sure that you get that done. If you have questions, you're running into issues, anything like that, shoot me an email. Absolutely. You can text me as well. And I will have office hours this afternoon. So if you need to talk to me over Zoom, we can absolutely set that up. That won't be a big deal. So let me know if there's any questions or issues. Should be pretty straightforward. I'm hoping. I don't know. Sometimes you guys get a little confused. But let me know if there's any problems and we'll work it out. It won't be a big deal. And we'll see you guys later.